Welcome to Sonnie's Garden. Today I'm going to harvest my turnips and some potatoes. I got some growth on my turnips, so I decided to go ahead and harvest, and I could use this pot for something else. The growth on my leaves look great, so if I don't get any bulbs, at least I can cook the tops with my collard greens. I think I only put about 6 plants in this pot, so I'm not really looking for a lot. Those bulbs don't look too bad. That one looks good. Well, there's my little harvest. I knew it was going to be small, but I'll add them with my collard greens. Now time for the potatoes, which I believe is going to be another small harvest because by the look of that soil, I see no roots and no growth. So I'm not sure what was going on in this bucket, but it didn't look like it was going to be a lot of growth, so I'm not surprised. Jack, move your big head. The soil was really moist, so I don't know if that had something to do with it, but I just noticed that the leaves, the plant itself just died quicker than, there go a couple. Yeah, the plant died quicker than the other buckets, so something was going on. Maybe it wasn't enough drainage. I'm not sure. But this is the fun about gardening. You get some good stuff and you get some bad stuff. And that, oh, that's another nice one. That's the yucky seed potato. Another small one. All right, well, this is my harvest, and Jack got me for one. But something is better than nothing. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.